Right, this is for if you want to use a time filter. Set this one to either true or false. All right, true or false. So if it's true, you can set your starting time, right, and then your ending time. Okay, so sometimes you might actually put up to 3 of it, right? So as I said, a particular day you need to place trades on those days or those Friday rules. So if, let's say, on Friday, if you don't want any more news, and this will be the time, okay, true or false, and at this time it will close all trades. Also for Friday, positive trades. So by this time to close all positive trades, you want to close negative trades, and at this time close negative trades. This will close any other trade whatsoever, and at this time. But this also allows you that you don't carry the trade over to the weekend. So we're going to use fixed lots. We're going to use this value of the fixed lots, and then if you're going to use percentage risk, we're going to use this percentage account based on what the stop loss is. All right. So next one, we want to use the balance ratio based on for every, let's say, $1,000, you use 0.01 lots for everyone. All right. So for stop loss, you could have, let's say, you can use a fixed stop loss or a fixed take profit. So you can also use a multiplier. So you can use a fixed take profit, like which is using what the value of this one is, or you can use a multiple of whatever the stop loss is. You are using multiple stop loss. We'll use this part also. The player can change from 1 to, let's say, 2, or whatever the value you want to change it to. All right. Good. I mentioned the part of the stop loss earlier. Stop loss is, if I probably want to use something about for your stop loss, use something like, let's say, zigzag, maybe like in a trend, a reversal, sort of like this. So let's say for a buy, you can use something like a low here, a low here, a trough here for a stop loss, and for a sell, you can use something like this high here for a stop loss. It depends on any rule, anything can be done. So that's everything based on whatever the client requests for. All right. Right, could use equity protection so that when price gets to a particular negative value, right, close, okay, either you stop and open new trades. All right, and this one over here could actually mean close running trades at drawdown. All right, stop at drawdown, or you do this one. So either of those two, you appear, and then that's one of equity protection. Another thing you can also do is also close orders at time. If at last time we're going to close orders. Right. So another rule some clients might probably want to have is close trades when there's an increase, true or false, increase mode when there's an increase in the balance, either percentage mode or fixed mode, and also you have the increment. This percentage mode and so it's not fixed mode, this is the amount. Right. So you want the EA once there's an increase. All right. So for instance, now this part being for this part, just actually like a reverse of this one. It actually goes to reverse, one being for profits, one being for losses. All right. Another thing I probably observe is our feature, like it is one cancels the other. All right. So this one, when you want a buy trade to cancel etc to cancel a buy trade, and then for your break-even is a break-even. So at this number of points, then you can just lock in this number of points. All right, and activate at this number of points. You're locking. If I want to set this one to 0, you're exactly at break-even. We can put a value, then all right, can this 10 points, which is either you want one pip there. All right, can set that. All right, so can use that to use a trailing stop, and this will be the value of the trailing stop in points. True or false. I think that clients use for trailing stop sometimes could be the moving average. So where price moves on, let's say in a buy trade, for instance. Now, when price keeps on moving on, people are moving the stop loss along with it, as long as it's increasing and moving on. And another way it could be, if someone could use candles, when the candle closes, you can use the close of the particular X candles and candle below in this one for trade. This is the ATR indicator. Some use the value of the ATR, right, in points to actually begin to place trades and to move the stop loss based on that value of the stop loss. Some also use also for take profit as well. trailing by steps or trailing in steps. Okay, so then we have these three parts. Let me say, so starting from when you need to make in your $100, so then for every 50 points moved, and there's an increase of 50, then it trails it by extra 50, kills a lot of steps of 50 points thereafter. Profit protection. Okay, so once you break down level, profits increases, they don't drop below that level. So it's actually good enough for those that do those scalping and have multiple currency pairs that multiple trades running here and there. So you fast trade, make sure that once your equity is just keep on rising and keep on rising over and over and over. So in case it ever drops, it doesn't drop below a particular level. So at that point, you close out all of your trade. Take screenshots. I want to add other features, all these ones in there. Right. So it's like that maximum spread. Let me dig EA by maximum spread, true or false. All right. So it's true. My any EAs within these 20 points can be traded, while if it's false, any number of spread, any amount of spread will work out. And this maximum slippage, other features I want to add. I want to restrict either the buy or sell trades also. All right. So let me just mark that as well as good with this one. And then you decide to set your EA trades, have a specific buy number, and also have ability to use your EAs with a particular comment as well. That one is in the input in settings at the back end anyway. So always that. So this other one is exit EA profits. All right, and then set exit profits, and the display color being white. All right, this value here being displayed for the profit they achieved here. Okay, so notifications, as which is sends an SMS to your phone, send email, send to your email. Based on the email, it's on your settings. You add the settings, the alert, which is the normal sound, and then play a sound file. Okay, play a sound file with wave file when that happens. You can play particular sound file, and then draw vertical lines, which are the lines trades. Like for instance, now we only add a layer on those ones. Yeah, I'll show you later on. This like for instance, so once I have a trade, the vertical line appears based on those ones. And we put vertical lines on exit when you give for a chart. Into vertical lines will be deleted. Right. So once there's a trade from Telegram, set Telegram text messages and screenshot. Right, you send to, let's say do something through FTP. Right, send new messages, send new trades on the new trades, send trades that of closed messages when the trades are being closed. All right, so I will send those ones. Also, we have all those icons or whatever. So we just input for the channel, and then the channel ID and the channel chat, channel ID, channel token, and the channel ID. This one. I'll also swap name. All right. So for instance, now this is a particular indicator file because it's a modified version of the FFC indicator from Forex Factory. So this is the version 7. So and to have use no trades at news time. True or false, all right, on off. So we have 7 minutes to avoid before the news, 20 minutes to avoid after the news. There's no trade on high impact, true or false, medium impact, and also on low impact. Anyone who doesn't want to. So also can also say what close trades. So this part is different. This is for open how to prevent trades from opening, and this part here is for. So we want to close trades, open trades that are open during news time. All right. So then next one also have currency, news currency filter type created by the chart currencies alone. For instance, that is AUD and CAD. So the news coming here are created by the AUD and the CAD news that come up. And then if you want to appear affected by all currencies, so any currency whatsoever that appears, the news can actually affect. Also, take note that the impact also be considered as well. This also allows me to make it work on any broker. All right, so it will work with any values. When you want a free prices down, this allows me to decide to you 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, this allows me to enable any currency pair to include into the mix. Another way for add pairs could be us adding currency pairs from this one. Let's put anything you want to do, just separating by simply just comma in between them and then put a currency pair. If you write it with this one the same way, the same is as in your market watch, just in your market watch multiple time frames as in which you can try to set anyone you want true or false. The reverse trades, all right, so that it allows you to reverse a strategy true or false. All right, so actually there are several rules on that for each for a client depending on what it wants. Because that have been used. So normally the time frames is default, the values of the K period, D period, and then this one. And stochastics MA level, which we know could be various types, and then the price field the same way it's in the indicator itself. This line, which is either the main line or the signal line, and the stochastic level depends on whatever pattern or the E we're going to be using that one for. Apart from your own personal details, as anyone that I want you want there, right? So edit display. So I display. So we have various displays of dashboards. I'm sure you've seen several of them that are different from all this ones. This and that different type of display.